Hello everyone, this is annual examination question paper of science of class 9th 2024-25. So let me discuss it with moving ahead with section A. So the first question says the physical state of water at 373 Kelvin is, so you know that 373 Kelvin is 100 degrees Celsius, so it is both gas and liquid. Next, move to the next question. Question number 2. From the given statements, identify the incorrect one. हमें इसमें incorrect find out करना है. The rate of diffusion of liquids is higher than that of solids. So it is true. The density of ice is more than water. It is false. The density of ice is less than water. Okay. Sublimation is the change of state directly from solid to gas. True. Rate of evaporation increases with increase in surface area. It is also true. So the correct option is option number B. Question number 3. The atomic mass unit is defined as number A, 1/12 the mass of C12 atom. So it is the correct option. Okay, all others are wrong. Question number 4. The mass of combining elements in ammonia NS3 according to the law of constant proportion is, so we know that the mass of nitrogen is 14, right? And the mass of hydrogen is 1, so 3 into 1, so it is 14 by 3. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 5 is match the column. Smell of hot sizzling food reaches us several meters away. On heating, diffusion becomes faster. This is the correct answer for A part. Let's move to the next. Wooden chair has fixed shape and size. This shows that large forces of attraction between the particles. So this is the correct option for B. Less cooling effect of sweating in coastal areas. So this is the example of decrease in rate of evaporation. So C. Right? Balloon inflates when air is blown into it. So this is an example of gases exert pressure on the walls of container. So let's see which option fits the best. A with fourth. So this is the correct option for this question. Let's move to question number 6. An atom has 4 electrons in its third orbit. Its electronic configuration is, so it is easy, 2, 8 and 4, because in this one the first shell can only contain a max of 2. In this one the second shell can only contain a max of 8 and it cannot move further without filling the previous shell. And in this also the minimum is 2 in the first shell. So option number B, 2, 8 and 4 is correct. Question number 7. The number of valence electrons in Mg2 plus ion are, so we know that magnesium का electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 2, right? But in this question हमें magnesium atom नहीं दे रखा है, हमें magnesium ion दे रखा है. Means magnesium के ion ने already 2 electrons lose कर दिए हैं, और सर lose कर दिए हैं इसलिए उसके valence electrons कितने हैं? 8 हैं. Okay, so without any confusion 2 आंसर नहीं होगा and answer would be 8. Okay. Question number 8, bio. Let us find out the correct statement among the following. Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosomes, so it's correct. Leucoplasts are colored plastics. No, they are colorless. Let me write it down. Colorless plastids. Okay. Large central vacuole is present in animal cell. No, it is present in plant cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in manufacture of lipids. No, it helps in manufacture of proteins. So option A, Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosomes is correct for question number 8. Let's move to question number 9. The connective tissue present at the tip of nose and external ear is cartilage. Question number 10 from improvement in food resources. Identify the cropping pattern shown in the given figure. So यहाँ पे हमें एक प्लांट दे रखा है एक रो में, फिर उसके बाद 2 रोज कंटिन्यूअस किसी और प्लांट की, फिर नेक्स्ट प्लांट सेम, फिर दूसरा प्लांट उसकी. ओके, सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ इंटरक्रॉपिंग, जिसमें हम रोज में कल्टीवेशन करते हैं. This is a question of visually challenged children. You can read it and try to answer it. Let's move to the next question. So it's of bio. If cells of onion peel and RBC are separately kept in hypotonic solution, which among the following will take place? So जब हम hypotonic solution में रखते हैं, so we know it swells, it gains water, right? So let's read out the options. Both the cells will swell. It's true. RBC will burst easily, while cells of onion peel will resist the bursting to some extent. It's true. RBC will swell and onion peel cells will shrink. It's false, because onion peel cells will also swell. And RBC will shrink, so it is also false, because both of them will swell. Right? So here the option fits is 1 and 2. Question number 12. Cork is impervious to gases and water because it has deposition of suberin, because cork contains suberin, right? Question number 13. It's important. An apple falls from a tree because of gravitational force between earth and the apple. If force 1 is the magnitude of force exerted by the earth on the apple, and force 2 is the magnitude of force exerted by the apple on earth, then force 1 is very much greater than F2? No. Force 2 is very much greater than F1? No. Force 1 is only a little greater than F2? No. Both F1 and F2 are equal. So don't get confused. This is not the answer just because ये है Newton's third law of motion का example, right? Newton's third law of motion, where action and reaction forces are equal, right? तो इसमें confusion से आपको अर्थ का force ज़्यादा नहीं मानना है. Both the forces are equal. So a body is falling from height h. After it has fallen to h2, it will possess half potential and half kinetic energy. उसमें potential भी होगा और kinetic energy भी होगा. Question number 15. So improvement in food resources. The Italian bees have high honey collection capacity. The scientific name of Italian bee, it is Apis mellifera. Organelle other than nucleus containing its own DNA is mitochondria and plastids. So here we are given mitochondria. It's the correct answer. Now it's assertion and reason. So let's read question number 17. Colloids show Tyndall effect. So it is true, right? Particles of colloid are big enough to scatter beam of light passing through it. It is also true. And since it is explaining this assertion, we'll give it as both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. Chromosomes are composed of lipids and contain information for inheritance of characters. So it is not composed of lipids, it's composed of DNA and protein. So for this reason, it is false. Chromosomes are visible under a microscope when the cell is ready to divide. True? Yes. So A is false, R is true. We'll go with option number D. Next question number 19. Passengers in a bus tend to fall forward when it starts suddenly. It is false. Now, why it is false? Because when the bus starts, the passengers do not fall forward, they fall backwards. So this is a little bit confusing. So let me read out the reason now. As the bus starts, their lower body moves, but the upper part of their body tends to remain at rest due to inertia of rest. So it is true. So here we are going to do option number D only. A is false, but R is true. Question number 20, last MCQ assertion reasoning is, Ligaments strengthen the joints and permit normal body movement. So it is true. Ligaments have elastic structure which connects muscle to bone. So this is wrong. It does not connect muscle to bone, it connects bone to bone. Here we come with false. So the correct option for this one is C. A is true but R is false.